What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to do a quick comparison between UCO strikeable fire starter and Diamond strikeable fire starter. They called Striker Fire. Fire starter that strike like a match. That's what they advertise. Well, let's see if it actually works. Striker Fire you can buy 48 pieces or 8 pieces. UCO a little bit more expensive because you can buy them in 3 pieces or 8 pieces and much smaller ones. This one 8 pieces and look how big this is. Or 48 pieces. You can really buy a lot of them. Boom, check this out. But when you open it, look at it. Some of them already coming off that strikeable stuff that match has. They said here UCO match. Let me show you to you one more time how well they burn. Boom. It's like a giant torch. Check this out. I can even hold it up like this and it's going to burn so well. It has no problem lighting up actual fire starter. And boom, we got actual fire starter. Stick is starting to burn for a long time. It's going to burn for good 15 minutes easily. So you'll have plenty of time to start the fire. So I'll set this right here for now. Now Striker Fire. Let me show you the difference with these ones. They are a little bit cheaper, I guess, but you pop them open and let's see what happens when you strike it. Look how much smaller the flame is, and you see the problem? You have this big stick that did not get light up. Let's try this one more time. I'm gonna try to hold it upside down this time. It's still burning up. It went off again. So you see what I'm saying? Strike a fire, but they don't really light up. The actual stick doesn't light up. Let's try the big one out of this box. What? What was that? Okay, this one lights up a little bit better. Oh, I almost got it, but once again fail. You see how important to actually test things out before you buy a lot of it, because you never know if it's actually going to work. Look what I need to do. I actually gotta get the one of those and maybe light it up and then it might work. Let's see. Takes a while for it to start going. Look, it goes off again and again. That's so weird. Okay, now it's burning. Takes a while for it to start burning. So as you can see, it does burn good, but is it strikeable? I don't think so, because every time I strike it, it just goes off. I have no doubt it's going to burn a long time. It looks like it's a good material to burn, and you're going to have at least another 15 minutes of burn time of this kind of flame. You will have no problem to start a campfire or any fires that you're going to do. So that's pretty awesome. But once again, when you light them, look at that. It has so little bit of that good stuff that it doesn't really light it. Come on. Come on. There you go. This one looks like going to get light up. Finally. 1 out of 5 finally light up. This is good. You really have to be careful so it's not windy or anything like that. So it gets going pretty good. There you go. Now it works. I'll set it right here. Now it works. Let's try another one. Let's see how consistent it is going to be. Upside down, hold it upside down. Ah, we lost it. Look, it didn't even burn off all the way. That's so weird. And once again, if you strike one of this, look what happens. Even I hold it up like this, it has no problem lighting up. You see why it's so much better to just invest into this kind of strikeable fire starter than this ones, because you're gonna have a lot of frustrations starting them, but you'll still have to bring out a lighter to get them going. But with this stackable fire starter, all you have to do is strike it, and look how easy it is. Started going really hot. It's just like a giant match. I love it. Once again, let's try to strike this one. Hold it upside down. Hopefully it will light up. See what happens. Still burning. Still burning. There you go. This time it works. It's like, I'm telling you, every other one, it is very frustrating. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This one it does go in. As you can see, it cannot be windy or you will lose the flame. But this one obviously is going to go. Awesome. Let's do this one more time. Oh wow, this one light up pretty good. Okay, now they're working much better. I feel like some of them are just faulty. This one light up a lot easier, as you can see. It's so weird how to the middle ones, or over here to the middle ones, works better than ones to the side. Because that was easy to light it up. Let me try another one. Let's see how well it does if you hold it like this. Nice. Now they work like even like this. It's so weird how some of them were just faulty or something. Because right now, even holding it like that, actually striking pretty good. I do not like that inconsistency, but if it's a lot cheaper than the other ones, I'd go with these ones as well. It's obvious it's going to burn really well and big flame in a minute. Okay, once again, if I take this one to the side, let's see what happens. You see? It goes off pretty quickly. There you go. It's just a higher chance for it to go out versus the other matches, but it does work more so now. It was earlier a little bit more windy and it would not light up at all. But now it works pretty good. It's so weird. But again, in my opinion, if you want the best, I would go with these matches any day. Look at this. It's just a mini torch. You will have no problem, even in the very windy conditions, lighting up this fire starter and not worry about for it to go out. Look at this flame. It's insane. This is still the best strikeable fire starter. They did say right here, burn time 12 minutes, no need for fuse lighters on kindling, lights quickly and easily. I don't know about that. Doesn't light as easily as the other matches, as these ones. You kinda have to hold it upside down and you really have to worry about it not to go off, because few of them, as you can see, did not get light up. Even the older design of UCO matches has way more strikeable head right here, and they have same problem. Sometimes they go off, don't light up. If you light it like this, there you go. You see? Sometimes if you don't hold it upside down, sometimes they would go off completely. Especially if it's windy. You see how little bit of a flame that is? And it's crucial for you to get that fire starter going. If it doesn't, you lose this flame and waste pretty much this strikeable fire starter. You'll have to use a lighter to get it going. But do you see how small the flame was? We almost lost it. Same thing right here. When you light it, you got here quick flame, and look, boom, we lost it. That's what I do not like about this fire starter. With these ones, boom, that's insane. Look at that. Once again, this is the most powerful strikeable fire starter. Oh my gosh, you might have to use gloves or something so you don't burn your fingers. It's powerful and it's amazing. And it was just, look how windy that is right now. Has no problem lighting up the actual match. And one more time, in a windy situation, wind takes it out every single time. That's so annoying. The good part about it, all I need is matches or lighter and light it up without worrying about it striking it, and it still will be good kindling. There you go, you see I lost it again, even though I was holding it upside down. Because a little bit of a windy situation like this one will completely turn them off. And it's kind of a waste. It's waste because if it doesn't strike efficiently, might as well just get the cubes like that without strikeable piece. So that way you can just get your lighter and get a cube and light it up. So that's what I'm still going to use these little twigs. Even though they're not strikeable anymore, what I'm gonna do is break a piece, light it up with the lighter, start my fire going. So it's still useful. I'm not gonna throw it away. But is it strikeable? Yes, it does works. But on the box they say lights quickly and easily. I don't know about that. As you can see, it's barely little bit of a wind and it still comes off. If it was really windy, there's no chance me lighting it up. Not every single time anyways. So misinformation on the backside here. It's not easy to light it up. But it's in my experience. Maybe you are way better at it. Maybe you love this matches way better than the other ones. Let me know in comments below. What do you think about this video? Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.